I think I'm pretty good at that. I love probabilities. I love numbers. I've always been good with statistics, and I still get to like write code too. Like, okay, cool. Let me check this out. And that's kind of where I went in that direction, right? But yeah, but I mean, I hope that answers you. If I didn't understand your question correctly, let me know. Okay. Hey Dennis. Hey Adam. Nice to see you. I think I've seen you around before, so thanks so much for checking in again. Nyan says, "Hey Nyan, good to see you again. Nyan, you're becoming a great supporter here. Thank you for coming back. Yeah, having the confidence that you could do a project end to end while being time efficient must be it when you've been putting in the work. Yeah, that's exactly right, Nyan. Because that process of that one day, you know, really made me like think like, okay, like I might have the skills to do this. Like you know, it's not theoretical anymore. I have the execution ability, right? Because I had just been shown this tool, and within an hour I produced something that I could have shown to a client, you know, like you know, I didn't have any clients for police data at the time, but yeah, you're describing it exactly right, where I was able to kind of just jump into a situation and say, oh, that's a cool tool, and I understand what the tool is telling me when it chose this model and all that, and in fact, you know, I remember that I went through a couple of iterations with the same data as far as like the feature selection, right? And just being able to go and like even go through like little mini iterations and produce something in a very short amount of time. And then also the fact that my coworkers didn't understand it, right? Because they were still like in Java land and, you know, developer land. That's what made me say like, okay, I've outgrown this pond. It's time for me to move on. So yeah, I mean, that weekend I started pushing out my resume as a data scientist resume. So yeah, you're describing it exactly right, Nayan. So Hamad says, and by the way, if you're still joining us, feel free to introduce yourself. Just let us know where you're from. Helps the global community.